At Layton, we invest in our project engineers. They're a key part of our business. The project engineer helps run the project from the beginning. They receive all the beginning information. So it's critical that we have engineers who are able to do their job and do it well. We don't expect our engineers to know everything when they get hired on. We're hiring on our engineers looking for future leaders, and so we're going to help them grow. The best way that they're going to grow is we put the engineer typically on a job site where they're working with the superintendent, project manager, and on a big project with other engineers. The best way that they learn is by working with those other individuals, receiving coaching and mentoring. They get assignments and follow-up, and through that process, they're going to learn the things that they need to know to be successful in our business.
A project engineer is arguably one of the most important people on a project. The flow of information is key on a project, and the project engineer has all control over that flow of information. A project engineer's day-to-day changes every single day. A lot of their roles and responsibilities require them to know the most out of any person on a project, and that's a lot to ask for a person that's coming straight out of college or maybe has one job under their belt. But we expect a project engineer to put the time in, to understand the drawings, and be able to answer the hard questions that come up every single day.
A project engineer will need to expect that they'll be interacting with every team member on a construction project. They'll be talking to owners, architects, vendors, subcontractors, and obviously their own teammates. Our expectation is that the engineer will deal professionally with each of those members and work within the bounds of the contract and the requirements of the contract documents. It's very important for project engineers to develop the softer skills necessary for performance of their work. They need to be able to negotiate. They need to be able to deliver bad news well. And they're going to be doing this across a spectrum of people. So we need to remember at all times that even though we're in the business of building buildings, we're in a relationship-driven industry. And that's where we really need to gain the skills necessary to maintain and build those relationships.
I run an engineering training program. We meet together every month to help engineers learn and grow different things. We pick topics and we talk about those. A lot of the topics that have the most interest are when the engineers suggest. So we take questions that they want to learn about, we bring in an expert, somebody who has more experience, and we train them on those things that they need help with. So it's a really collaborative and growing process where we can help provide the information that they need.
I think the positives of working at Layton Construction and or starting a career here is there is so much room for growth. We're a big company, but we're continually growing, which opens more opportunities for every person, whether it's a project engineer, whether it's an intern. There's always room to grow, and quickly. You're not stuck as a project engineer for 5 to 7 years, right? There's always people moving up in the company, and as long as you're doing your part, working hard and showing off your capabilities, you'll move up in the company as well.